Hello 7th class, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Myself Prem Prakash Khemka, Math faculty in Ghana Kingdom, Smart Education D12. In the 7th class, 6th class 50% syllabus are included in 7th class. तो 6th class में 50% syllabus था, वो 7th class में available रहेगा. For example, अपना syllabus क्या है देखते हैं. First number is integer. In this chapter, we read out what is the integer. You know integers are -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, minus infinity and plus infinity, and that's what are integers. Integers related questions for him. Okay. Second are fraction and decimals. Fraction p upon q, 4 upon 5. How we edit the fraction? How we multiply the fraction? Divide the fraction, subtract the fraction, and decimals. Data handling. In the third chapter, we discuss about graph. How to use graph paper. How in graph paper solve the questions. And fourth chapter are simple equation. You have simple equation x plus y. X plus 4 is equal to 7. Find out the value of x. Okay. They all chapters related question already you showed out in the class 6. Now addition questions, more addition question we showed out in class 7. Fifth chapter lines and angles. Draw a 4.5 centimeter line angles, make angle of 30 degree, make angle of 60 degree, make an angle 90 degree, make an angle 120 degree, make an angle 35, 45, 60, etc. In the chapter number 6, triangle and its property. How many triangles? Symmetric triangles, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, property, in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. All angles are 60 degree. ये सारी चीजें जो है अपन पढ़ेंगे ट्रायंगल एंड इट्स प्रॉपर्टी चैप्टर. Congruence of triangle. What is the congruence? Okay. Now we discuss about what congruence. In the chapter we discuss, but that time in the simple एकदम छोटे, अगर मैं कहूँ सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आपको समझाऊँ, आप में मेरे भी सिंपल क्या है, आपके भी है, मेरे भी है, आपने भी स्पेक्स लगा रखा होगा, मैंने भी स्पेक्स लगा रखा है, आपने भी टी शर्ट वियर कर रखी है, मैंने भी टी शर्ट वियर कर रखी है. सो दे आर सिमिलर चीजें. इट्स आल्सो कॉल्ड कॉन्ग्रुएंस. कंपेयरिंग क्वांटिटी. इसमें अपन क्या करेंगे, क्वांटिटी का कंपेयर करेंगे और उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन करेंगे. सो यू हैव 4 एप्पल्स, मी 5. हाउ मेनी एप्पल्स? वी हैव 4 + 5 = 9. इन दिस कंपेयरिंग क्वांटिटी वी डिस्कस अबाउट simple interest, compound interest, profit, loss. Okay. In the chapter 9 we discuss about rational number. In the simple word we say that fraction and rational number are related to each other. Okay. जो फ्रैक्शनल नंबर में पढ़ेंगे उसका कुछ ना कुछ पार्ट रैशनल नंबर में भी स्टडी करेंगे. प्रैक्टिकल ज्योमेट्री. In the chapter 5 and 10 are similar. 50% similar. Practical geometry, it means how to use compass, how to measure a line, how to measure a angle. Perimeter and area. What is the perimeter? Sum of all sides. Find out the area of this board. Board in rectangle shape. So area of rectangle L multiple breadth. Area of perimeter L2L plus B. Algebraic expression. This chapter are new in class 12. We discuss about how to add. 12th chapter अपन slowly एकदम धीरे से रीड करेंगे. Exponent and powers. Exponent power का new chapter. Symmetry and visualize solid cells. These chapters are. In this chapter we discuss about, for example, this is it. ये आपके पास एक बोर्ड रफ करने के लिए था, डस्टर था. डस्टर को अगर कट कर दें तो इसका ये जो फेस है वो कैसा दिखाई देगा? सर इसका फेस आपको रेक्टेंगल दिखाई देगा. ओके. सपोज दैट शो, ये मेरे पास शौक है, इसको हाफ कट कर देगा तो इसका एक फेस कैसा दिखाई देगा, सर्कल दिखाई देगा। तो these questions are studied in chapter 14 and chapter 15. Okay, now we are going through our first chapter, integers. Okay, now we are going through our first chapter, integers. Integers. Okay, integers. Integers are shown number line is 0. ये -1, -2 and infinity. Infinity you know a greatest number. 5 lakh 22. 100 lakh 52,023. 33. For that infinity number लिखिए, आपसे बोल रहे हैं infinity -5 3 5 4 2 9 6 7 3 5 4 3 6 9. It's a number infinity. A number we can't write and can't read is called infinity. 1 2 here infinity. So this number system in the number line we show all my negative numbers and all positive numbers and included 0 also called integers. Also called integers. I hope it's clear. Firstly, we shoot out simplest question of this chapter. इंटीजर्स के सबसे पहले तो हम सिंपलेस्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो शूट आउट करेंगे। आपकी एक्सरसाइज का एक्सरसाइज 1.1 का फर्स्ट नंबर क्वेश्चन, एक्सरसाइज 1.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। integers and question are 5 numbers show -1 -1 6 7 8 9 4 3 2 1. Okay, here is 25 5 10 15 20 22. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 21 22 23 24 25. Draw a diagram in fan notebook with use of pencil. जितना डायग्राम आप पेंसिल से यूज करेंगे उतना ही ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखाई देगा। सो बैंगलोर का टेम्परेचर आपको शो करता है। Here are temperature of Bangalore. Okay. And Ooty. Temperature of Ooty. Simla. Okay. And Srinagar. 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 Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti. Spiti. Okay. This is show the temperature of different cities. Okay. Our observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Write the temperature of the places. Write the temperature of places. Write the temperature of places. So first we write down temperature of Bangalore. Bangalore. of temperature is. Firstly, we write out the temperature of Bangalore. Temperature of Bangalore. So Bangalore temperature is 20, it's 21, and its number line is show 22. So temperature of Bangalore is 22 degree. Use the degree. We know that in the temperature we use the degree 22 degrees Celsius. In the assembly we discuss about our temperature. What is the minimum temperature today? What is the maximum temperature today? So we use the 22 degrees Celsius. So now temperature of Ooty. Temperature of Ooty. What is the temperature of Ooty? It's 50 degrees Celsius. It means Celsius. And temperature of Simla. Temperature of here that we use for temperature. Temperature of Simla. What is the temperature of Simla? It's 5 degrees Celsius. It's 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, temperature of Srinagar. We read temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar. What is the temperature of Srinagar? 0, -1, -2 and -3. What is the temperature of Srinagar? It's -2. Oh, sorry, it's -2. Temperature of Srinagar, it's here are -1 and -2. Temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. When temperature is minus, you know very well, it's the not summer, it's winter. Temperature of Spiti. Temperature of Spiti. Here temperature is -6, -7 and -8. Temperature is -8 degrees Celsius. Temperature is -8 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's clear. And now second question is, okay, clear. First question is write the temperature of places. So we can write what is the temperature of places. Now, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Okay. So what is the question like? Difference between hottest and the coldest place. Coldest and hottest and coldest place है, ठीक है. मैं इसको पहले लिख देता हूँ. Hottest and coldest place. So firstly we know that the hottest place is Bangalore. Hottest place is Bangalore and coldest place is Spiti. Coldest place is Spiti. So find out the difference between them. So difference between them is equal to 22 degrees Celsius minus, we use in the difference we use the sign of minus and -8 degrees Celsius. It's 22 degrees Celsius minus plus 8 degrees Celsius is 30 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature? Temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. So first we write temperature of Bangalore, hottest temperature. Then we write coldest temperature, and the difference, you know, difference is show the sign of minus 22 degree minus 8 degree is the temperature is difference is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's clear. Now find the difference between temperature difference between Lahore, Spiti and Srinagar. Difference between find the difference between temperature difference, third question is find the temperature difference between Lahore, Spiti and Srinagar. Solution is what is the temperature of Lahore, Spiti? So temperature of Lahore, Spiti is temperature of Lahore, Spiti is, we find out the temperature of Lahore, Spiti is minus 8 degree and temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius and difference are minus 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, minus 8 degrees Celsius. So difference are minus 8 degree minus plus 2 degrees Celsius. Difference are minus 6 degrees Celsius. Difference are minus 6 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's clear. Now we discuss about question number 4. Difference can be temperature of Srinagar and the Simla taken together is less than the temperature in Simla. It is also the temperature of Simla. Question number 4D is fourth number is can we say temperature of Srinagar? Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla. Temperature at Simla it's also less than the temperature of Srinagar. Then it is also less than the temperature of Srinagar. Okay, so firstly we know that temperature of Srinagar and Simla को प्लस करते हैं. Okay, solution is क्वेश्चन कह रहा है टेम्परेचर ऑफ श्रीनगर एंड सिमला. Srinagar and Simla. Srinagar का टेम्परेचर -2 plus 5, its answer is 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस। इट्स 3 डिग्री। एंड श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर कितना है? श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर जो है आपका, श्रीनगर टेम्परेचर, श्रीनगर सिमिलर टुगेदर, श्रीनगर एंड शिमला टुगेदर इज लेस देन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द शिमला। एंड यस, आंसर इज यस। देखिए यहां टेम्परेचर कितना डिग्री आ रहा है? कैन वी सी दैट द श्रीनगर एंड शिमला का टेम्परेचर, शिमला और श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस टुगेदर इज द लेस देन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ शिमला। क्या ये शिमला से जो टेम्परेचर है उसका लेस है? जी सर, ये इसका टेम्परेचर जो होगा उससे क्या होगा? लेस होगा। इट इज आल्सो लेस देन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ श्रीनगर। श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर कितना है? -2। श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर कितना है? -2 और यहाँ टेम्परेचर कितना है? 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस। सो आंसर सेकंड वाले पॉइंट का क्या आएगा? नो। देखिए फर्स्ट फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं। श्रीनगर एंड शिमला इज 3 डिग्री एंड शिमला इज 5 डिग्री। सो आंसर क्या आएगा? राइट, 5 डिग्री शिमला ग्रेटर है, आल्सो लेस देन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ श्रीनगर। श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर -2 एंड श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर इट इज आल्सो लेस देन, और इसका टेम्परेचर कितना आया है? 3। ओके, इसने कहा बट इज नॉट लेस देन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ श्रीनगर। ये जो 3 डिग्री है वो ग्रेटर है, इससे लेस नहीं है। इट मींस आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? नो। आई होप इट्स क्लियर। नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन आप सेकेंड क्वेश्चन in a quiz positive marks are given for correct answer, negative marks are given for। देखिए सेकेंड क्वेश्चन क्या है? Second question. In a quiz, Jack scored in 5 successive rounds. If Jack in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer or negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack scored in 5 in 5 successive rounds where he scored 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. 15 and 10. What was his total at the end? What was his total at the end? What was his total at the end? देखिए जो प्लस वाला है वो किसको शो कर रहा है? करेक्ट आंसर को। माइनस किसको शो कर रहा है? इनकरेक्ट आंसर को। सो टोटल स्कोर इन सबको क्या कर देंगे? प्लस कर देंगे। प्लस माइनस माइनस, प्लस माइनस माइनस, प्लस 15 प्लस 10। 10 से 10 कैंसिल आउट, 25 में से 5 माइनस करेंगे, 20 प्लस 15, सो स्कोर इज 35। सो जैक्स स्कोर आर 35। Jack score are 35. Okay. Now third question आप सेल्फ शॉर्ट आउट करेंगे। In the next video, in the next class, we discuss about how क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड जो है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में शॉर्ट आउट करेंगे। आई वांट यू शॉर्ट आउट थर्ड क्वेश्चन सेल्फ। फर्स्टली आप जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड जो है सेल्फ शॉर्ट आउट करेंगे। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ इज a plane is flying at the height of 5000 above the sea level। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 above the sea level। a plane is flying above the height flying at the height of 5000 above the sea level, at a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine floating at a particular point, at a particular point, at a particular point, it is exactly above, it is exactly above it, submarine floating, floating 1200 meters below the sea level। What is the vertical distance between them? Vertical distance between them। So, solution: a plane is flying at the height of 5 meters out. Vertical distance between submarine and plane, ये सी लेवल का, यहाँ पे क्या था फ्लाइट, और यहाँ का डिस्टेंस कितना था 5 था, यहाँ का प्लेन था। ओके, यहाँ का प्लेन था। फिर सी लेवल के अंडरग्राउंड में सबमरीन थी, यहाँ पे क्या थी सबमरीन थी। यहाँ से यहाँ पे का डिस्टेंस आपको कितना दिया था 1200। अब आपसे ये पूछा गया है कि इन दोनों का टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है। फाइंड द टोटल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम। ये यहाँ प्लेन है, ये यहाँ सबमरीन है। 5000 प्लस 1200 इज इक्वल टू 6200 meter। So the vertical distance between submarine and the plane is 6200 meter। 6200 meter। So actual distance is 6200 meter। I hope it's clear, and another question we shoot out in our next video। Okay, have a good day।